Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on a POCO X5 Pro. And to do this you will need to open your Google Play Store. Inside, look for Firefox, hit the search button and simply install it. When it's ready, you should be able to open it and begin customization. So on the top you can pick your theme, then switch your toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization with other Firefox browsers, and select the privacy protection settings. There's also privacy data which you can read, and at the last we can click on start browsing. From here, open any website and it should work fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.